Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it hit. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it hit. I just want pull up in coops. I just want more for loose. I just be dripping in cool. I just be tripping in news. Kick it with goons. I just be smoking the fumes. I just might fly to the moon. I just get high like balloons. I just be out making moves. I just be sipping that juice. I just be spending for loose. I just be dripping in juice. I just be wet like I'm pools. I just don't care about no rules. I'm just a far with a tool. I just be killing you news. All of my guns, yeah, they blue. Fortnite, I'm getting a loot. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah.
Let's make some music, make some money, find some models for wives.
Feels a lot better than before, bro. I feel like I'm like a lot more in control. And I feel like that when I'm going through the whoops, that I feel a lot more secure, you know. But I can't go like 100% through them. But man, I don't think I really want to.
You're not gonna go 100%?
No, dude, that's when you kill yourself. That's when
Pussy.
you crash. Oh, wow.
We've got the vision, now let's have some
Take a little bit of the crossover out so we can try to get some of that spring out of the front end. When the front end pops like that, then you know it looks cool in the video and everybody loves it. When the back end does that, that's no good. That's when you crash. I'm gonna take a little bit of spring out. I'm gonna put another turn of rebound in the bypass shock just to try to control that. I mean, so far for a brand new setup, this thing's looking good.
Hey, what's up, you guys? We are at /X today. People are pre-running, getting ready to race tomorrow. Everyone's testing, but I'm gonna go grab some food at /X right now. All right, we got Mad Max right here installing window nets. So you know, people don't fucking go flying out when there's a rollover. If there's a rollover, there's not gonna be a rollover.
We're not installing window nets. We're making sure everything's race ready.
You know, it's been a while since I've been in school, so I think it's time for a math problem. What do you get when you have a cameraman minus a media car? Meaning we didn't bring a media car. The answer to that question is the cameraman fucking walking to the racetrack.
leg, baby. The pass or fail.
What's up, you guys? We're here at Slash X, and we got a surprise for you. So basically what we're doing today is we are running through tech. We already ran through tech, we registered, and then we're gonna go for a pre-run. So we're gonna be racing our Can-Am here. This one here. The co-driver over there chasing a dog. Then we got the jug that we brought out. So anybody in that category, may you rest in peace. We're gonna fucking kick your ass.
Here's Ranger right here, our beautiful dog. He is a mini Australian Shepherd. Say hi, BP. Say hi, BP.
Ranger.
Say hi, BP. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh.
Hi.
There he
Hey,
goes.
buddy.
There he goes. Oh. There he goes. Oh.
You gotta throw me some love, baby. You gotta throw me some love. You gotta leave me away.
Bro. It's one of our sponsors, dude. Grateful to have them. We're actually programming Can-Am, Juggernaut, and truck on the other side, which is Bryson's truck. Badass. Been using them since day one. Day uno.
Okay, so we didn't bring a media car this time, as I mentioned earlier. So I am doing something very unconventional. I hope this is the only time I ever do this. I'm going to be getting a shot from our pre-run in my 2016 Dodge Charger, which is not meant for off-road at all. Well, yeah, so I didn't really get to film anything because I am a fucking idiot.
So anyways, if you're filming this, you see that fucking ridge over there to the top of the mountain?
Yeah?
We're going through that.
Oh boy.
The very, very top. We ran it last night at night, and I almost flipped over the... I think we almost went over twice. So...
Oh man.
Everybody be careful. It's very intense.
Taking off from the coupe to Vietnam, buckle up on Navy. She don't care what mama says, but she gonna have my baby. Taking all I have to take, this take is gonna shake me.
Actually not at the pit, we're a little bit we actually were waiting for her to pass by and asked about the time. Yeah, the whole team's out here, dude, and the whole crew and our boys and shit out here kicking some ass. It's the first race of the year. We have the Mint in 9 days, and then after that, I believe we have Baja, and then after Baja, it's Johnson Valley. So stay tuned.
Thank you, far too kind. Can I get an encore? Do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, nigga, make some noise. Get him, Jay. You no fresher than whole, riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm lurking, yeah. Can't none of y'all mirror me back. Yeah, hear me rap, it's like hand G rapping his prime. I'm young H.O., raps grateful dead. Back to take over the globe and I break bread. I'm in Boeing Jets, Global Express. Out the country, but the blueberries still connect. On the low, but the yacht got a triple deck. But when you young, what the fuck you expect? Yep. Grand opening, grand closing. Goddamn your manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open a head with no pen? Just draw inspiration. Who you gonna see you can't replace him with cheap imitations of these generations? Hardcore, do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. One last time, I need y'all to roll. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, nigga, make some noise. What the hell are you waiting for? Look what you made me do. Look what I made for you. Knew if I paid my dues, how will they pay you? When you first come in the game, they try to play you. Then you drop a couple of hits. Look how they wait to you. From RC to Madison Square, to the only thing that matters is just a matter of years. As fate would have it, J status appears to be at an all-time high. Perfect time to say goodbye. When I come back like Jordan, we're in the 4-5. It ain't to play games with you, it's to aim at you. Probably name you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you to smithereens. Cocksucker, take one for your team. And I need you to remember one thing. I came, I saw, I conquered. Record sales, sold out concerts. So motherfucker, if you want this encore, I need you to scream till your lungs are sore.
Tired of being what you want me to be. Feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes, every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so numb.
Can I get a encore? Do you want more?
I've become so numb.
So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. One last time, I need y'all to roll.
Better luck next time.
What happened?
Transmission, and then we're only 3-wheel drive now.
Wow.
Dude. No, transmission, and we're 3-wheel drive at the moment. Bro, I'm be honest with you, bro. I really, really, really believed I was doing good, bro.
Whatever, you break everything. It's okay. It is what it is.
Our team is coming in hot. Roy and Bryson are gonna handle it out there.
axles today.
Not one, but two.
Bryson Bradfield. Nick's name, we should start calling him Axel. Braxelfield.
You know what? I'm not exactly sure how to explain it, but there's a little stick like this, right? Then it goes into the axle like that, and it just completely came apart.
So your axle broke.
No, it didn't break. It just came apart.
Well,
You could say it's broke.
oh, I mean, I completely see your fucking truck missing a wheel.
I didn't even know that this thing had this thing in there, dude.
Are you fucking dumb?
Smoking pounds of green. Diamonds on my neck, chrome drop top. 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 Diamonds on my neck, chrome
this is one way to end a race. We still got to figure out how to put this back on the trailer. We're probably going to be here for a very long time.
It's so greasy. Okay.
I didn't think I was gonna get it done. You didn't think it was gonna be this easy, huh? No. Come on. This is Forza Mexicana here, fool. This is Ordona's racing. You can figure that out right now.
So at the time all this was filmed, I was just way too tired to film an outro. I completely forgot to do it. Not even gonna lie about that. That being said, I do want to end the video just giving a huge shout out to Aronas Racing for helping us out right there. It was quite a pickle. We had no idea how we were gonna get that truck home. They came through with Roy Tompkins and they just made it so easy. Like what we thought would be an hours long job ended up being a half hour, and we cannot be more grateful. Again, huge shout out to Aronas Racing. Go give them a follow, go give them some love. They're a newer organization, kind of like us, and we do want to show our support exactly how they showed their support. Big shout out to Roy Tompkins, Ty Leon, Terra Crew. Shout out to Eric Connor and SoCal Suspension, Blake Wilkie, fucking everyone who was involved in this journey and who made this possible. Everyone who helped us shock tune the Juggernaut. We especially appreciate every single person who came through on Saturday to be a part of our pit, to help us out with the race. And we could not have done it without you guys, so thank you so much. We also want to thank Cody from More Racing. You're the fucking man. To all our sponsors, McNeil, PRP, Rugged, Heatwave, Us Hub TV, Absolute Weight Loss, GR Wraps. Thank you all so much for being awesome sponsors. We have new videos every week. Please like and subscribe. There will be more content coming very soon.